Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Duzao Vincent. I was surfing the internet and I stumbled on this. I decided to talk about it. Glucose feeds cancer cells. It's backed by science. Glucose feeds cancer cells. Anything that removes glucose from your body potentially slows down cancer. And below here, it says I stopped drinking mineral, no swallow, and no bread because starchy food and sugar fuel the growth of cancer. Former Ondo State First Lady Betty Anyao Okoredu shares what she stopped eating to beat cancer 27 years ago. Well, first and foremost, let me define what cancer is. What is cancer? As you all know, cancer is a broad term, but in a simple term, it is a disease that results when cellular cancer in a simple term is a disease that results when cellular changes causes the uncontrollable growth and cell division. So some forms of cancer can be visible, like tumor, and others are not visible, like leukemia. So let's go forward on the causes of cancer. Some cancers are preventable. Some causes of cancers are preventable, while others are not preventable. For example, causes of cancer that are preventable: one, we have smoking, excess body weight, all are preventable. Heavy alcohol consumption, they are preventable. Lack of exercise, that is physical inactivity, they are also preventable. Lack of exercise is preventable. Poor nutrition, human papillomavirus infection is also preventable. All these causes are preventable. Unpreventable causes include age and genetic, that is family history. So age and family history. There are others, but that is the two I know for now. So let's talk about the treatment of cancer. The treatment of cancer are broadly classified into three. I can broadly classify treatment of cancer into three. Number one is chemotherapy, or that is the taking of drugs. Hormone therapy, the taking of certain hormones for breast cancer and prostate cancer. Immunotherapy, that is boosting the immune system. All are is the first. I have broadly classified them as the first treatment of cancer. The second treatment of cancer is radiotherapy, which involves the use of high-dose radiation to kill cancerous cells through the use of linear accelerators. That is linear machine. The third, but not the least, here is the surgery. Surgery is the total removal of the body parts, total removal of the affected parts through the removal of the lumps of the lymphatic nodes to reduce or prevent the disease from further spreading. So that is the treatment of cancer. We have one: chemotherapy, hormone therapy, immunotherapy, We have the second one, uh, radiation therapy. We have the third one, surgery. So let's types of cancer. The common types of cancer we have are breast cancer, prostate cancer, and lung cancer. There are others. We have what do we call? We have lung cancer as well. Okay, lung cancer. We have melanoma, that is cancer. You have leukemia, cancer of the red blood cell, and others. So now let's go to the real topic, what we are trying to talk about. The real topic we are trying to talk about today is the relationship between cancer and glucose. So, uh, from this my research here, it says there is a common myth that sugar is responsible for cancer growth or it fuel cancer to grow bigger. But this myth came from an oversimplification of some complicated biology. What they are what they are trying to say here is for people to understand that for people to understand about more understanding in the of cancer, the over the oversimplification of cancer resulted to people saying that glucose feeds cancer as it is written here. But let's me go further and say and see the reason why they are saying what they are saying. Why they are saying what they are saying. So let me go further, please. Sorry. Sorry for the break. So, unfortunately, it is not that simple. All our body cells need glucose too, and there is no way of telling our body not of telling our bodies to let healthy cells have the glucose they need without also giving it to cancer cells. And cancer cells also need a lot of other nutrients too, like amino acids, fat. It's not just sugar. It also needs amino acids and fats. There is no evidence that following a sugar-free diet lowers the risk of getting cancer or that it boosts the chance of surviving if you are diagnosed. So, in summary to this video, there are two sides of this story. On the one hand, sugar itself doesn't cause cancer, and there is no way at the moment of specifically starving cancer cells of glucose without harming healthy cells. Therefore, there is also no evidence that adapting a diet very low of carbohydrates will lower your cancer risk or help as a treatment. In fact, patients need adequate nutrition to help their body cope with treatment. But eating a diet high in sugar can promote weight gain, and being overweight or obese increases the risk of at least 13 types of cancer. The take home message is that although banishing sugar won't stop cancer in its tracks, we can all reduce our risk of getting cancer by lowering the amount of sugar in our diet to help maintain a healthy body weight. So, in another summary, simple we have simple sugar and we have complex sugar. sugary foods like sweets, chocolates, cake, biscuits should be eaten occasionally. Apart from, it should not be eaten every day, because those are the kind of sugar that, first of all, will make our body gain weight, and apart and after our body gain weight, we became obese, and we have a risk of getting cancer. Remember, from our causes of cancer, we have, at our number two, we have, apart from smoking, we have excess body weight. We have also lack of exercise. We have heavy alcohol consumption. All these are cancer, are, 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 are causes of cancer. But in summary, again, uh, too much sugar, they say too much of everything is bad. So definitely we should reduce the intake of sugary things. Like, even though the woman here says she stopped taking mineral, no swallow, and no bread, because starchy food and sugar fuel the growth of cancer. This statement, I can say it is correct and not correct, according to my research here, because minerals here, they are free sugar. They are part of sugary things. Taking it occasionally is good, but when you take it too much and you don't do exercise, you also smoke, you also do not exercise your body, and you take alcohol, we consume alcohol in excess. All this will result to you getting cancer. So that is my research on that. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Don't forget, please share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Thank you.